This is an open letter from you and me together. Tomorrow's in our hands now.
Earth Day is an annual event celebrated around the world on 22nd April to demonstrate support for environmental protection. Typically, Earth Day is assigned a different theme or area of focus each year. This year is special as it marks the 50 years of celebration with the theme Climate Action. Unfortunately, the face of celebration for Earth Day 2020 has changed due to coronavirus. However, we can still participate, maintaining social distancing as we connected to each other through digital media, especially in this period of pandemic COVID-19. In this connection, the students of Botany Department, East Calcutta Girls College, are celebrating this 50th anniversary of Earth Day by a presentation for the awareness on the need of conservation of our environment.
On April 22, 1970, 20 million Americans, 10% of the US population at the time, took to the streets, college campuses, and hundreds of cities to protest environmental ignorance and demand a new way forward for our planet. The first Earth Day is credited with launching the modern environmental ignorance and is now recognized as Earth's largest civic event.
The theme for Earth Day 2020 is Climate Action. The enormous challenge but also the vast opportunities of action on climate change has made it the most pressing issue for the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. Climate change represents the biggest challenge to the humanity and life support system that makes the world a habitable place. Unfortunately, this year's Earth Day is taking place during the deadly world pandemic coronavirus. The world has seen for generations. So, therefore, any public gathering or in-other person event has to be cancelled. But that doesn't mean that we are not able to celebrate Earth Day by sheltering in any place. Coronavirus demands us to be separated, but yet we can be united and come together and take small initiatives from our household to save our planet Earth.
On April 22, 2020, we are suffering from two crises. One is coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. The other one is slowly developing climate crisis. We can, we will, we must solve both the challenges. The world was not prepared for coronavirus pandemic, but we still have time to prepare for both the challenges at every part of the world for climate crisis. Coronavirus pandemic does not shut us down. Instead, it reminds us of what's at stake at our fight for the planet. If we don't demand change to transform our planet and meet our climate crisis, our current state will become the new normal. An Earth where pandemic and extreme weather change span the globe, leaving already marginalized and vulnerable communities even more at risk.
Coronavirus may force us to keep our distance. It will not force us to keep our voice down. The only thing that will change the world is a bold and unified demand for a new way forward. We may be apart, but Through the power of digital media, we are also more connected than ever. While Earth Day may be going digital, our goal remains the same: to mobilize the world, to take the most meaningful actions to make a difference. No matter where you are, you can make a difference, and you are not alone, because together we can save the earth.
We can celebrate Earth Day by taking small initiatives starting from our house only. The first is reusing the household items. Reusing means using an item without treatment as it is. We can use many items from our kitchen. This will reduce the pollution from our house and protect our environment from further damage. The biggest and the simplest way by which we can contribute to our earth is by planting a tree. It will reduce the pollution to a great extent if we all come together and try to plant a tree in our household. It will be a great initiative from us towards our earth. The next thing is our huge dependency on plastic. Every day we use a lot of plastic material in our everyday life. But if we consciously replace those plastic usage by some renewable source like paper bags, we can save a lot for our earth. Because we all know that plastic is a non-renewable resource and doesn't decompose, and therefore it is a huge damage to our earth. We can plant local trees in our garden because plants grow best when they are native to their place. We can grow organic vegetables in our garden. Organic vegetables are also good for human health, and we can also contribute in this way to the earth. We can bring nature to the garden by planting some insect attractive plants in our garden. It will be a good scenario. It will present a good scenario to our garden, and in this way we can make our garden a beautiful and attractive place.
Pass down the love of nature into the kids and plants with kids. Use refillable water bottle. Use reusable bags. Volunteer for cleanups community. Conserve rainwater. Educate other people.
The spread of COVID-19 continues, and we are still in the lockdown condition. The water of the canals, lakes, sea are getting cleared for less tourists and motorboats and less pollution. The skies are getting cleared of pollution, and the wildlife is slowly returning to the newly cleared water. Few months ago, environmentalists could just imagine or could just dream about such a scenario at the verge of 50th anniversary of Earth Day, which was to be celebrated as the awareness of climate change. But this disoriented green reality is temporary and causing a little cheer as the coronavirus pandemic has severely damaged the world.
This is not the way we would have wanted things to happen. The pollution-free environment, wildlife conservation, protection of climate change is only depend upon the proper utilization of our natural resources by human beings. The connection that we have to nature, plant and the land is integral to our health and all that we are. The Earth Day will remind us to take care of our planet, whether it's cleaning up litter, planting more trees, recycling or repurposing, or going on a walk on a green space. Of course, social distancing doesn't mean that you can't go and enjoy nature. As long as you do so responsibly, nature is not cancelled. The Earth Day will remind us, will support, will educate and mobilize more than 1 billion people to grow and support the next generation of environmental activists. These are the messages we want to convey on this 50th anniversary of Earth Day.
I am going to represent the quotation of Abraham Cowley. The thirsty earth soaks up the rain and drinks and gasps for drink again. The plants suck in the earth and are with constant drinking fresh and fair. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home.